Hello, my name is Hiram Bailey. I wanted to do a Zoom call with my face in the video on the corner, but for some reason Zoom doesn't capture my screen and my face. For some reason, it just records black. I'm not sure why. So I'm just using a screen recording tool. So I made the recommendation engine schema recommender, or RESER for short. It will help a new user or a data from the beginning of your database design. If you use this for a recommendation system, it will get you started. So I made this because I wanted to make a challenges recommendation app where it would pull up different challenges for a user and have good recommendations. So to design the schema, I didn't want to do anything too complicated from scratch. So I decided to make something even more complicated to help with those things. So you can have a schema for movies, videos, or products. I'm going to choose dares and challenges because that's what I wanted. I want friends. We can generate the schema. You can edit the different things, X things out to get rid of them. You can change the attributes, and you can export to get started with your database design. Copy that, and you just have to translate it to your specific database with like an AI or something.